Wow, that's very lifelike.
Hey, Chuck, we're putting together a team. Come on, everybody, let's work those booties. I'm in.
This that go shit. Little bitch tryna act smart with me, but she don't know shit.
Drinks on me, guys.
Hey, where's everybody going?
Hurry! Something's coming!
Last one to the beach is rotten egg.
Let's go!
Pardon me. Excuse me.
Oh, what?
Again?
Launch me exactly the same way you did for Red.
That wasn't ready!
Chuck, is that you? This is the House of Horror. We gotta figure out a way to get into that room. Anyone have any bright ideas? You were gonna pay for that! Just happened.
Oh, I'm sorry. You were saying?
Huh? Hey, Jerry,
Yeah?
come here. Look at this.
What's up? It says everything's normal.
Jerry, are you seeing this?
I don't see anything.
Hey, Chuck, it's Red. Zip on down here.
Hey, Chuck's mom, can your son come out to play?
All of this does not just happen on its own.
Pretend to be B. Can everybody please stop partying? There are eggs being stolen! Matilda, we need your help. The pigs are stealing our eggs!
What? Unable!
We have to get back to the village! Stop dancing and start running! Hors d'oeuvres, my weakness.